Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. There are plenty of benefits of using manual testing in a software development company, ranging from the quality of the software itself to the way that the project affects the company's finances. Some of the benefits of using manual testing in a company include 1. Greater flexibility. In order to complete test automation, you need a QA analyst to go into a piece of software and code a test case, which completes a precise set of steps every single time. Qualitative information. Qualitative information refers to information that describes something, and this is a type of information that human testers can offer to a team of developers. No limitations by environment. Automation testing relies on the use of an existing platform, with some having relatively strict limits. Limits that some, though not all, platforms face include not being able to work with platforms like Linux, only being able to work with a certain coding language, and only handling a set number of tasks. Allows for usability testing. Usability testing is the type of testing that assesses whether a piece of software is usable, including the way that it looks and feels to the end user. Implementing manual usability testing provides companies with greater insight and helps to make adjustments that make the app more competitive, something that automation cannot offer to development teams. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.